Next, cytotaxonomy. So, as we know that cytology or cell biology deals about a cell and the cell components. So, there is a lot of variation that is observed in the chromosome number, chromosome size and chromosome related activities from one species to the other species. Like first one, the number of chromosomes, size of the chromosomes, meiotic movement of the chromosomes. Likewise, a lot of characters may be differing related to the chromosomal aspects. So, based on that changes or the variations, the plants are categorized into various groups. That type of categorization or dividing the plants into various groups based on the all these aspects of the chromosomes is called as a cytotaxonomy. So, in this one we know that herbaceous plants are more advanced when compared to other ones which contain large number of chromosomes. And if you take one species, the number of chromosomes in one particular species is same, but the number of chromosomes in different species belonging to same genera will be differing. Likewise, the number will be changing from one species to the other species, but at the same time the chromosomal movement and also the size of the chromosomes is also been considered for classification of the plants. So, that concept is called as a cytotaxonomy.